Enti ene exactly 2 months. I pass the anti-LGBTQ plus bill na Ghana Parliament. Na ya pass be si na we say ye hu hwe. Ye hu say the bill no akoto Mahama table so say on sign ana what tell say obesign and say on sign say eno say eba ye say the bill no has been passed. I say his excellency obesign. It's been 2 months. Eno ana Ghana for the say so now no Speaker of Parliament Energy Mahama, how far with the anti-trumu bill no? Ghana for no abebuza question. I have Penyah block media. Best I say any demo. Over like video no that more subscribe button, number click notification corner latest update. Number to the wide media mama comment section. Over so no watch your post any be ahwe no can phone ala money send apena dia ma o USA o UK Western sky be fear. Ayanala. Ana 26 no bia ACB. O international very fast. From pro code Penyah TV send is going to $20 amazing. O send ya na be dru fie. Enya Ghana ko be send from UK and USA to any other African country. Now let's go to the story. I was in 2021 mu Anna member of Parliament for Ningo Primary constituency Sam George ekopiem Ghana Parliament. That time not on edit for only opposition party members. It is Sam George ede bill be ekopiem Ghana Parliament. Anya to the Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill. When you know anti-LGBTQ plus bill. Emma Sam George ede this particular bill ekopiem Ghana Parliament 2021 no. Emma from there in there. Omu de twa forward assume say forward ensign na emeye mbra so that Ghana hebegia tumu se chise obi eye gay obi a lesbian ye betima punish na emra kwa so ye betimi atwena so emom da de ekopiem Ghana Parliament ema Ghana fo nyina ba so gina achire oh ye de boku forward achi ema on this issue no some George made countless demonstration even targeting Akufo-Addo say oh ye gay activist is Akufo-Addo is appearing to be LGBTQ activist or ya me won say as a gay no true no oyebi Emma Sam George make this as a wild allegation against Akufo-Addo. Emma Ghana so for nyina ba so gina mutina omo ya say Akufo-Addo oye gay. Etre on person obesan Akufo-Addo ejutum ese Ghana ha tumutumu enkoso it on person obesan Emma na enkora nyina ede gay any lesbianism tag Akufo-Addo. All because omo tire say bill no Parliament pass Parliament agya tumu was Akufo-Addo ede signature esi so na o sign na ebeye mra but Akufo-Addo embeso besan me wa na asem so ente sa na that bill no obi so the court asem no ewa court eti asem so e the Akufo-Addo ntimi free court wati enkonko sign eba sa na wanfa ebuo ama court no but na NDC for no de omun enhwe ho do mu twan asem no se wa court o se ni court o Akufo-Addo enyuzu executive order enfan sign that bill no de na omu etwan no na because of that no ye go to aba no edit here baomia but when be so fire because na Akufo-Addo 8 years amamu akwawiye ana ba omi aso ebe contesting the first because that time Mahama so di kan akwesi Ghana so for no akwesi o mo se me ba that bill na mesan e di Ghana so for nyina be gina Mahama echi e mo mu ko promote Mahama o mo nsafu mu e ma Ghana fo nyina ko to aba no anigye mu e de ma John Dramani Mahama na ya de Mahama betena so no na ka Ghana for say na swear in na bill no o ye be formulate na ya pass of Parliament na ho na within be 3 months there Mahama the signature no abisi but ye twen ya kwesi somewhere October 2025 mu no na still LGBTQ yante hwe enti na so ma fanya mark nkra no ekopiem Ghana Parliament in fact okokwan wo ho no mo
only yesterday when we were raising this issue Mr. Speaker you were saying that the bill must pass now you are in government you are in the hot seat when the IMF the World Bank IPU threatening you are now running away you are saying procedure which mistake there was nothing administratively in error I dare say for the records you force LGBT on the throat of the Akufo-Addo government today you don't want LGBT you would want it Mumbe pepa you use it to win election now when your stakeholders the international community is warning you you want to run away run to where you now see governance you are in the kitchen you see the heat I was there we will plead with you let's manage this situation you say no remember that hot afternoon Agboja as a chief whip you remember that hot afternoon when you suffocated me with third reading you are laughing Mr. Speaker, this bill.
What is the meaning of what you said?
Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker. Sometimes when I look at majority leader, it's not easy. Mr. Speaker, what I'm trying to tell them is that, you see, when they were in opposition, they forced this bill on us. Even when it was in court, they say the bill must be signed into law. We heard President Mahama, His Excellency. He said, "Oh, the bill, he's seen it, but he's referring it to the Attorney General." That was January, and then there would be, they will look at the very clauses, the aspect of criminalizing it and bringing a conviction and sentencing where the person must suffer a jail term. Well, the very thing that you wanted it, he said, "Oh, they have to look at it and change it." Mr. Speaker, today,
Honorable Minority
Mr. Speaker,
Leader.
let me land with respect.
Yes, but don't forget.
Emma 2026 you know. Na LGBTQ you could receive back Ghana Parliament. Na ombo bohunsa. Emma even on the 11th of April 2026 you know. Speaker of Parliament Ebeka Sai. How do you say? Mahama sure say the moment you be keep bill on our Ghana Parliament, you be pass no. You never do any more be sign on delay.
His Excellency the President assured me that when we pass the bill and it comes to him, he has stated it before, he was going to assent it. So please, leave the rumor mongers. They can play that kind of calumny, bad politics. That is not what we are here for. We are different from those practicing it. Our cultures and values and principles are different.
Speaker of Parliament, ebe say Ghana for that a bucket sewe. Emma nen yaba say ne monya ntem. Mon formulate bill no, na mon pass in the Parliament in tem. Na mon come Mahama, na on sign in tem from a Ghana for no. Obia air train. It was on 29th May 2006 and the bill to go PMO Parliament for the third time reading and hearing. Na honomono Anna Nipa na or presiding over that day sitting. The first deputy speaker of Parliament. Ono ene tena because now that time na abamba ben wateri kakrasmani bandana or trip. It's not only hodom. It's the first deputy speaker of Parliament. Ono ene presiding over that sitting. Omo propose say yam pass but that bill no Parliament honomo no. Na ya making changes be because 2021 we formulated that bill no. Oko read the clause 9 of the bill na echiremu say 1. Say ke bia meti am ya blog yi. Say we make story be cry about LGBTQ offense. You better have a chime. Obri she musa. Ebiam so no say bia we suffer and now you counselor. Na obi aba say or you gay activist. Na obi all counsel no. O tunu for say obese san. Obri she musa wo suffer no cry wa tomra and ko ba ye na no. Fa ne bra police for ne anchiri ntum. Eni so counsel ni so tunu for cry. Fa ne bra nke anchiri ntum. Ona ebiam so no say bia ya chi obi oye gay na na ba court. Na wa ba be gina say oh ya no lawyer. E offense. Obri she mu in the clause 9. Obri she mu say so ka so be in legal counsel cry na offense. Jana kamra ne fa no nkohye edwutwa no. So you say udwutwa say o support LGBTQ nta udwutwa agene no. E offense. And obiam they say ya the obi akoto cells or ya LGBTQ activist or yare na bia anase bia or na cells obi a gay activist or yare na doctor wona wo hwen say ho beto no a watomra. Janu onwu odi trum janu onwu. And obiam say bia community bi obi hyem ho no mo or ye gay activist ma meka na say pray for the ma ko hunu say nipa we otim mantam hei or ye gay nipa ba ku mi say munim na say ma meka amanto fo nyina amatomra offense chese na ne ma ewo mu no offense and ka media kura ntimi nka gay ho asem o Ghana ha no ya abechem offense but don't go PM Parliament on the 29th of May no na o ma ye changes yi sa mra we nyina free mu etina no blogger betima ye video about LGBTQ enye bone also for any councillor betimi a council LGBTQ activist enye bone say ye LGBTQ activist bia na obetima nya lawyer enye bone say oyale a obetima nya doctor amana hwe no enye bone che say o ma make changes e ma that day no kan parliament hono no e o huru bo so o afanyama kene no nkofo o mu antwema majority hono.
The new bill we wanted Akufo-Addo to pass is now exempting all these people under this clause, including NGOs, including academic publications and for science and medical opinions, Mr. Speaker, including the report of news and current affairs by the media house or journalists in other courses of the journalism. Mr. Speaker, the point we are making here is that if you even see the proposal and the footnote, it said the rationale is to create an exemption for these categories of activity that may otherwise impugn under Section 2. Mr. Speaker, this is just watering down the point that you wanted the Akufo-Addo to sign in 2028, for which reason people had issues. So today it is clear, Mr. Speaker, today it is clear that you are exempting all these people under this bill, which is not the same bill you asked the Akufo-Addo to sign.
The provision of medical, surgical, psychological, or counseling services in accordance with accepted professional practice, which exemption was not part of the bill you wanted Akufo-Addo to sign. And F, the reporting of news or current affairs by a media house or a journalist in the ordinary course of journalism, and the performance of a public health functions, including HIV and AIDS, prevention, testing, treatment, and care, which same testament was given by the Ghana AIDS Commission before the full glare of this country in our live telecast that they provide condoms, lubricants, and other aids for persons living with HIV who are known LGBT members, so that they will go about their absurd sexual experiences. And yet this government wants to make assumption under this law. That is not the law we sponsored in the 8th Parliament. That is not the law we are sponsoring today. If the government is minded to pass their own law of a sort, which will grant all these exceptions, the very places we are trying to clamp down on, that can be a separate law. But so long as the Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill is concerned, these exceptions are alien. These are not the exceptions in the Ugandan bill that was passed. These are not the exceptions in the Senegalese bill that was passed. These are not the exemptions granted in any of the countries that we are going to host next week, who have passed these laws and whom we are proud to host them in this very chamber. We are planning to host them. When they passed their bill, they didn't give any of these exceptions, because that is where the real problem is. These are the people sponsoring, supporting, making these activities rather attractive behind the scenes and even sometimes overtly. And so if I find it highly problematic, any attempt by this House to push any of these exceptions in, we will resist it. And if the House will use their majority numbers to push it through, I, as a sponsor, will advise myself accordingly.
Very well, you are entitled to advise yourself. Yes, majority leader.
Oman Chama Womo, but Speaker of Parliament, Emma Yato Swaba, Emma, that day, no 29th May 2026, no. Ye passe the Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill no ye passe Ghana Parliament.
He adopted
an act to provide for human sexual rights and family values and related matters.
Honourable members, the Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill 2025 is duly read for the third time and passed.
Emma, in 2 days' time, Speaker of Parliament, the first Speaker of Parliament ever, you know, Smiley Bandaba, which them to Debbie, man, Cassa Bill, no one pass it, make us say, at least, won't consider.
I'm sorry, and the process by which it was adopted. What is right must be done rightly. Honourable members, I call on Parliament to rely on the provisions of motions and the conventions of this House to go back to this historic and important bill and reconsider it in the way that is truly bipartisan, to conform with the convictions and confidence of our people the initiators of the bill. For the avoidance of doubt, my concern is that legislation of such profound national importance should proceed on a foundation of broad parliamentary support, bipartisan cooperation, and scrupulous adherence to the procedures established by the Constitution and the standing orders of Parliament. The legitimacy, credibility, and enduring authority of any law depend not only on the objectives sought to be achieved, but also in the integrity of the process by which the law is enacted. Procedural law is as equally important as substantive law. Honorable members, converse and go out and on TV and radio, misinform Ghanaians again. I'm taking note of all that. That's why I initially said, read the standing orders on when the speaker is making a statement. You listen to the speaker in silence. You don't form groups and be making conversations. Clerk, be gone. Indeed, this statement is consistent with my obligation under Order 24B of the Standing Orders to promote consensus on matters under consideration in the House. It is with this conviction that I invite honorable members to reflect on whether further consideration of this matter may better secure the confidence, unity, collective ownership of the bill, and respect of our faith, laws, and passion of the nation. Accordingly, I respectfully appeal to honorable members to reflect carefully upon the issues raised and to consider in the larger national interests the bipartisan character of the bill, the unity of the House and the nation, and the need to maintain the highest standards of procedural integrity to revisit its decision on the third reading of the bill to permit a reconsideration of the final text of the bill and any amendments thereto. Such a course, if adopted by the House, would not be an abandonment of the bill, nor a rejection of its objectives. Rather, it will represent a reaffirmation of Parliament's commitment to due process, fidelity to the Constitution, consensus building, transparency, and legislative certainty. It will ensure that any final decision taken by the House reflects not only the will of Parliament, but also the fullest support of Ghanaians in the law that is ultimately enacted. Honorable members, I remain confident that honorable members will approach this matter with wisdom, patriotism, mutual respect, and a shared commitment to the integrity of our parliamentary democracy and the dignity of this House. With this, I thank you for your attention.
I say, Moya Muna Mon consider Mon Chame, man Cassette Machija or the Mon Passe, and Monocrab did down Coe, and Manocana Focus A. Now, Mr. Speaker, then I can say, on Persever passes, not per se, or more consider we are yen a day, young found 1 trail, and I yen a day, what I say. But then I train was a young level a pono. The same speaker of family catcher says a pass it bill now. Mahama see a pass ya or besign any now you couldn't your pass ya then go to anymore or besign. But your pass bill no 29th of May 2026. I was exactly 29th July 2026. That's the work calculation now. 2 solid months. Obian for bill no court. Court injunction be an bill so from being assented to by the president to become a law. obi ankwa court injunction bianos free to be assented by the president free 2 months in ye bill ne yenten nka say da koma Mahama yer ko ye ne say also be sign and answer on sign yenten nka yente hwe no say ba say pass bill no eno ano no ekire din obi ankasa fa ho asofo no obi anya interest say bi say pass bill no parliament aba say akase Mahama ebe sign no obi anya interest ye musa question biem say Mahama so also be sign say one sign say bill no kredi afa hene obi ani eni akire bi na eno ana journalist ba ko si da bi all the no odwene ho a ensu ntirim enti bill no bi say Mahama any speaker of parliament say bill no how far
asking a question, Mr. Speaker. When are you transmitting that bill to the president? When is that bill going to be transmitted to the presidency for the president to sign? Because take it or leave it, you are enjoying the second term of being a speaker of parliament because the party you belong to, NDC, won the 2024 presidential parliamentary elections overwhelmingly. And one of the issues that won the NDC that much vote was this anti-gay bill. And ideally, by 2 weeks' time after the passage, the bill should be transmitted from parliament to the presidency for the president John Dramani Mahama to sign. And also be pim bill no nkoe. Mashadana. Because me can obi ka say say nko mampani won was sign. But you and I know how some of these balls are played. And strangely, all of a sudden, anti-gay bill, it doesn't matter to the churches, it doesn't matter to the Muslims, it does not matter. And phobia, as soft for me say, Maja Wasamka, why the catcher said to Munukofegi? Ye jai cow. Ye jai sa some cow, even journalists like myself, is as if say, BBNC. Into 2024, Nadia and Nancy, and then what has changed? We have stopped to putting pressure on the Parliament of Ghana to transmit that bill. You see, we are all hypocrites. Interesting point. Because strangely, as I saw for no, all of a sudden, gay won't say no, ye jacka. Because it was passed and it was refused. Say, what would come and Penyah so you know say, and then the Parliament as I pass it and come and Penyah. Why are we not talking about it? Why the silence? And now, Bible can't say, "Go for review." It's enough for us to be silent. It's not. And we don't have to keep quiet on this. So now, no na gay won samunya, and they elder ayana, and yeah, I am yet to know. I am yet to hear. Say, you are transmitting bill, no? I am passing from Parliament to the presidency. More politicians no swa. More year campaign no, and then what has changed? What has changed? Yet the bill no won some ye dede enya political power. Ye nya no nkofo ejai gayism na nkofo ejai lesbianism no na. I want to know. And now the election of John Dramani Mahama automatically put an end to gayism and lesbianism. Is that what we want to say? Is that what we really want to say? No one koyemra ka say betting tax ye twem no One pass ye ni na hanu na sana edu. Mampanya so ye no was sign because eno no ehon no de ho hia omo. Na mo na catch am say gay ni lesbianism some de ho hia yen. Parliament transmit that bill. Let the president sign. Mr. President, let your leader in parliament, government business, the one in charge of government business, push for the transmission of the bill to your office to sign. Other than that, as an adjuma life, and ye de okumomo. Na nanu mu ekasa e okrodua mu ha demonstration course hwi asofo mpanifo ekasa e okrodua mu ha demonstration course hwi me see all of a sudden me na na bia kan all of a sudden all of a sudden say dey ka say do kan ya bi all of a sudden as they say gay who say no ehun hia was it a political agenda? All of a sudden, ehun hia biem na na do free super gay for na free Ghana. Hey, I'm a free Ghana. Alright, John Mahama buy a pair gay for na free Ghana. Asofo no maye din sentrefo ya ye din obi aye din ekromu atem din
Obi to akere wa adwene e dia mame e wo comment section aha Penyah Block Media Accra.